Hello subscriber, today our topic is epoxy electrical insulator. First we will discuss about the what is insulator. Insulator is an electrical supporting device which will hold the buried conductor on a pole or any insulator which is not pass the electricity or a bad conductor of electricity. It is also made from polyester isolatrine and mica isolatrine and ceramic isolatories and epoxy. We are discuss about the epoxy insulator. Electrical system and electronics. Epoxy resin are an excellent electrical insulator and the protect from an electrical component from a short circuiting dust and the moisture. The cured epoxy is an electrical insulator and a much better conductor for heat than the air. Is a resin is an insulator. Cast resin are a excellent electrical insulator and protect the electrical component from a short circuiting and the dust moisture. Means when resin and epoxy mixed and then will be a great and most useful insulator has been created or made. Generally, one can say that the purely epoxy resin are considered in a non-toxic. The risk of damage caused by a ingestion of epoxy resin can be considered as very small moisturizing agents and are used today via a certain toxic, but it takes a quite and a large volume of harming occur and due to precisely toxin. Epoxy resin are used to manufacturing of adhesives and the plastic paints and the coating primer and the sealer flooring and other products and the material that are used in the building and the construction applications. Some people are having thinking about that the heavy temperature or heavy transmission lines are running. It does flammable or not flammable. Epoxy insulator are flammable or not flammable. Before use epoxy itself a typically flammable liquid. The hardener and the creative and the non-flammable liquid but may be crossing of a toxin. It is epoxy to mix the fully curved and used as a deep coating for a form of a mold. It is used product and cannot be signed off a P in the U West courts. Epoxy insulator or insulator could be made from indoor epoxy resin system like as a bichonel and epophyllidrin and resin and hydrin and harders or U and the V waterproof outdoor epoxy system like is a cyclopentic epoxy and the resin of headers. Many places are used that epoxy since but our epoxy bushing are made within epoxy resin because epoxy resin is a non-tracking, self-scoring and non-weathering and resistance to repetitive heating of 120 Fahrenheit and the cooling at 40 Fahrenheit. Thus, epoxy has a perfect electric and a mechanical property of a manufacturing of a bushing insulators. Many people are thinking about that the epoxy is a waterproof or not. The benefit of using a waterproof resin, the resulting of a Hydrogen's epoxy is an indurable and waterproof and detail that does not escape from attention of pioneers of a material, and the resin are used broadly in coating the waterproofing. It may be industrial, including the home constructions. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribing me and keep watching me and support me. Thank you. If you need any topic about the epoxy or insulators, I will be provide you as soon as possible. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.